We are back. Here's another video request from Evolve. He asked me about this structure, so just wanted to quickly go over this for you because I promised I would. So other viewers, if you have a question, please ask. I will make a video for you. Let's go. All right, so today basically we're talking about the second conditional or hypothetical situations in the present or future. So something that I expect or that might happen in the future, and what if. So this is very, very similar to the second conditional. If you don't know what that is, search our channel, find that video, and then you'll know. All right, so what Evolve asked me was basically the difference between these two sentences, right? So if it were to rain, I would stay home, right? If it were to rain, I would stay home. If it rained, I would stay home. So these have in my opinion, the exact same meaning. You can see here that this structure is definitely more formal. Again, something that I wouldn't use or I wouldn't say. You might see this in literary works, or if you're watching like The Crown on Netflix, or The Queen's Gambit or something like that. You know, you might hear a structure like this, or if you're reading Shakespeare, something a little bit more traditional, a little bit more formal, then maybe you're going to see this sentence here. But if you're watching Friends, or a more recent or a more recent TV show, you're probably going to see something like this, right? If it rained, I would stay home. If it were to rain, I would stay home. I think speaking colloquially, I don't know how to say that word. That's going to be not this one. We're going to use this one. So probably just the second conditional. Again, if a word that I said was hypothetical. And then this is present or future. Sorry. And this talks about both second conditional and this were to do structure, right? So just two more examples before we wrap it up. If you were to come, maybe to the party, I would be happy, right? So maybe I'm having a party and I invite you and I say, if you were to come, I would be happy. So I'm talking about the hypothetical future in this case. That is an ugly E or an ugly U. I would say, yeah, if you were to come, I would be happy. Not so common, again, especially 2021. If you came, I would be happy, right? If you came to the party, I would be happy. Hey, I'm having some people to my house. If you could come, or if you came, I would be happy. Okay, and then moving on, last one. If I were to win the lottery, I would buy a house. I would buy a car, right? If I were to win. But again, more natural. If I won the lottery, I would buy a house, right? So there you go. Basically, be plus 2 or were plus 2, and then plus an infinitive here. Just more formal. That's really the only difference. So I guess down below, answer the third question. If you were to win the lottery, what would you buy? So thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Evolve, thanks for the questions. Keep them coming, and I'll do this for you every time. Thank you.